Hey YouTube, this is just a quick video on how I fixed the E1 error on my Gourmia GAF685 Air Fryer. I contacted the company to try and get it fixed under warranty, and they said they couldn't warranty it because I didn't have the receipt or whatever. And so I got it as a Christmas gift, so I wasn't gonna pay to get it fixed. They told me it'd be $50 just to have them diagnose it. Well, I wasn't gonna pay $50 for something I got as a gift, so I decided to dig in and find out for myself. I popped off the top here, so when you pop off that top, it might come off in one piece, might come off in two, but this the stainless steel part should come off. And then underneath is going to be this guy where there's 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just want to get underneath all 4 of those tabs, basically pry up with like a flathead. I was able to get access pretty quick and easy. You might have to pry a little bit, don't be worried about breaking it, just don't go too hard. And then you'll have this secondary layer, or I guess technically third layer because that top part, but there's going to be 4 captive screws, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and loosen those up, just leave them sitting in there. Then there's going to be another 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Take those out, set them to the side, and you should be able to lift this whole thing out, set it off to the side. And then this is where the problem is. So if you look at this circuit board, there's this little blue wire that's coming out of the side here. It was zip tied down in here to itself, so I undid that zip tie, pulled it on out, and then this little cable shield or a sheath slid down, and that wire was just hanging in there. So basically all I had to do was take that wire, push it back in there. The contact wasn't in the connector fully seated. So when my air fryer would heat up, it would throw that error after about a minute or two. So I'm assuming kind of what happened was just that it would get hot, and then it would just lose connection because it would probably move a little bit and no longer make contact. So yeah, that's all it was it just didn't have one of the pins in.